the club banger for people to dance. I don't care if people don't want to dance. I don't care if they don't want to party because I've been chosen for a very serious purpose, a very serious mission. And this is what really gives me the thrills. Like I tell you, all these mean more to me than a Grammy Award. Because if all of these mean more to me than a Grammy Award. All of these, yeah,
Yes.
because
Yeah,
these are all
if
for,
they are.
yeah. So, so that's what, and I've never seen no one prior to me. I've never grew up seeing someone else doing this, and I'm thinking like, oh, I wanna be like Bujo because I see Bujo doing this. No, no, no. I've never seen no one does this before.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So this is something
Right.
ordained from the Most High to me. It's never been done
That's
before.
beautiful.
You know what I'm? That's why the song is titled "Beautiful," and this is the song to let all these people who